Hello, dear students, how are you all? So, today we are going to discuss about some biosphere reserves, national parks, and wildlife sanctuaries that are present in our country. So, first, you know very well the national parks. The government also taken some steps to preserve the animals. So, all that such areas that has been covered by the government to protect that the endangered, endemic and extinct species. So we have national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, zoology parks, etc. So you know very well currently in India has 98 national parks and 515 sanctuaries. Let's will discuss. And you know very well, apart from this, the 98 national parks, 515 wildlife sanctuaries, and 14th biosphere reserves are also there. So first of all, let's will talk about the national park. So these are areas strictly reserved for conservation of wildlife. It doesn't matter wildlife means animal. It contain both flora and fauna, means plant and animal both. No other activities are permitted. No one can live in that restricted areas. Okay, and nobody has a permission to wander here and there in that type of areas. That's second. We will have the wildlife sanctuary. A sanctuary gives protection to fauna only. Okay, fauna means the animals, flora, all type of plants contained in flora. So here killing and capturing of any species of wildlife animals is prohibited. Harvesting of timber and collection of minor forest products are permitted only. Where? In the wildlife sanctuaries. Let's we will talk about the zoology parks. So a park or an enclosure in which animals are kept for public exhibition. You know very well the zoology park where we have free. Okay, and next is botanical garden also. So you know a garden where we can conserve rare and threatened plants. Botanical gardens only contain a flora, means all type of plants, okay, that are now they are rare and they may be a threatened. Okay guys, so they are in the form of, and that are preserved in botanical gardens. Biosphere reserves, these area protected areas wherein people are an important components of the system. Here are the biosphere reserves. Okay, these are multi-purpose protected areas being developed like conserve biodiversity, preserve ecological balance and promote conservation. You know very well we have a number of uh, protected areas that they are famous for, means the governments has established the 98 national park and 515 sanctuaries and wildlife sanctuaries and reserves also. So you can see in your notebook also we have some national parks, and where it is situated means place, and what they what they famous for. Okay, so we will discuss. First, Kaziranga National Park. It is situated in Assam and famous for one-horned rhinoceros. That is the main animals. Okay, and number of ducks, geese, pelicans, and storks. They are also found in Assam, Kaziranga National Park. And you know very well the Kanha National Park. I think you have been visit a lot of times. It is where it is situated in Madhya Pradesh, the Panna. Okay, so it is known for wild tiger. Okay, it is known for wild tigers. Corbett National Park. It is situated at the Uttaranchal. It is also famous for tigers. And Sundarban National Park. It is situated in West Bengal. It is habitat of royal tigers. Okay. And wildlife sanctuaries. We have number of sanctuaries and we have number of national park, but we have discussed 2 or 3, and you can read the national parks and their places and what for the famous in your science book. Okay, and we are going to discuss about some wildlife sanctuaries in 2 or 3 more only. Okay, so Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. It is situated in Rajasthan. So, for what it is famous for? The only home the rare Siberian cranes that migrate of India in winter, and one of the famous wetland and water bird sanctuary in the world. Okay, if we talk about the Run of Kutch sanctuary, it is in Gujarat. It is famous for wild ass, flamingos, star tortoise, and desert fox. Okay, you have heard the name the Gir sanctuaries that are situated in Gujarat. It is famous for the Asiatic lion, and cheetah, sambar, and nilgai are also found here, but it is famous for the Asiatic lion. Okay, and Bandipur sanctuary. It is also located in the Karnataka, and it is famous for Indian elephants. Okay, and sanctuary of Madumalai. It is also situated in Tamil Nadu, and it is also famous for the Indian elephants. Okay, and we have one reserve also. It is a Simlipai Biosphere Reserve. It is located in Odisha. It is famous for tigers. They are the some national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and reserves that we have discussed. Okay, so it's your duty. Please kindly read that chapter, and please learn that protected areas and what they are famous for also. Clear, guys? And we have 2 more topics that we will discuss in our next class. Project Tiger, and what is the meaning of migration, what is the form of migration. Okay, so you can read that chapter